Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be talking about our iPhone camera settings. A friend of mine told me that he sees my video, he watches my videos, and he doesn't think my videos are clear enough. So because of that, he helped me change my camera settings. So I don't know, he said I still need some changes, but he only gave me few. So I'm looking into the rest later. So I'm going to show you in this video what he did, and he said my videos are now going to come out clearer. It will be very clear now and very sharp. So if you're the type that makes videos and posts on social media and all of that, I guess this video is for you. So you have to sit down and watch this video till the end. And also, if you're very good in iPhone camera settings, please comment in the comment section what else I need to put in place for my camera to actually come out very clear and sharp, even without editing. Thank you. So let us start. So first of all, you go into your camera settings.
Click on settings. Now scroll down, go to camera, click on camera. Under camera, go to format, click on format. Now remove it from most compatible. If it's on most compatible, remove it and put it on high efficiency. Toggle on Apple Pro Raw and Apple Pro Rex. After that, you go back and you click on record video. Now you turn it from whatever it is and put it on 4K at 24 fps. So if it's not on 4K at 24 fps, you can put it on 4K at 24 fps. After that, you turn off HDR if it is on HDR, because it's not necessary for now. Then after that, you go back and scroll down, you turn on grid, and that is all.
Okay, so that is how you set your iPhone camera to get a good or clear videos, and try this and come back to tell me if it actually worked well and if your videos are actually now clearer and sharper. I don't know. So normally I record on 1080, but now I'll be recording on 4K. So before you change your settings to this 4K settings, make sure you have enough storage on your phone, because I am using 256 gig. Like, that's my phone memory. So make sure you have enough space on your own phone before you change your settings to 4K, because yeah, it takes space. So I'll actually be using 4K 20 because I don't want to use too much space on one video. So yeah, if you have enough space, like if your phone is more than 256, or if your 256 is just wasting, you can record on 4K 30 or 4K 60, any of the above, I don't know. But I'll be using 4K 20 because I have space here, but I still want to manage my space because I make a whole lot of videos. So